Hi there. Jiangmen YWC Appliance Factory specializes in small kitchen appliances for over 12 years. Today we brought you here a high-power blender. This S05 high-power blender has adopted a number of synthetic circuit boards, combined of Hall, preset functions, stepless speed regulations, and other intelligent functions, with a comprehensive upgrade of materials that will bring you a different experience. The 1.75-liter glass jar is made of US Teflon glass, which makes it stronger against sudden blows. The handle is added the German EK1 safety standard structure. The machine stops as the lid opens. The power blender adopts 1800 watts, 28,000 RPM, high-speed 24-slot motor, makes the stirring effect more exquisite. At the same time, we took the lead in the use of Hall's constant speed circuit board so that the motor operates more stably. To protect the motor, we use PTC current temperature duro protection control for the durability of the motor. For the knife set, we use Japanese imported steel 2.0 mm thickness with the design of the crescent blade. Unique rotational angle design helps to evenly crush the toughest ingredients. The ice will be snowflake effect within 10 seconds. Double ball stainless steel bearing given a low noise, high power transmission, and 100% letting the motor play out its efficiency. On the electronic functions, we preset the 3 functions of ice crush, jam, and smoothie, stepless speed control board with the gear display LED indicating light, let you experience the fashionable intelligent life. At the same time, for your safety, we have added a 10-minute automatic power-off design to the program to ensure that the busy pace of life can be used at your will. In order to meet your diverse needs, we provide a variety of switch designs for you to choose. At the same time, the housing has a choice of deluxe stainless steel or a colorful ABS material to meet your pursuit. To find more YWC blender models, go to this website and leave us a comment. That's all I have for you today.